podcast, social media people. So, Real Estate Investor Sav back with you. Hashtag Canadian Flips Detroit. We're back in the Bagley district of the Tudor house, and we've started working on the outside. Let's go take a look. So here we have it. We ripped out the old fence. We got the new posts up, and today they're coming to put in the new fence all the way back here. You can see where the line is right there. You can see where the line is. That's where it's going, around the corner on this side, and we're just connecting to what's already there, because that part of the fence is pretty good. We don't have to do nothing on that. But yeah, we're moving. The external work has begun and we're going to be done. So what's going to happen is, basically, we had two gates back here, but we're taking it down. We're putting one gate. So we're taking out the wood gate over here and the one over there, and we're going to put one wrought iron gate. So a little nice design there, a wrought iron gate, you know, entering into the backyard here, which looks like a mess, but all this junk has got to be removed. But yep, we're getting in a fence today. All right, so if you want to be part of projects like this and come out here to Detroit and see what we're doing, and you need some help and you need some advice, you know, just drop me a message on this video or look for the notes below. You have all my contact information there, and yeah, we can set it up and we can do something. All right, follow us on what's happening next.